right.
I'll light you.
Here comes the fire stick.
Gotta light these first. No, don't face this way. That way.
Don't face it towards my room. Face it against your room.
He doesn't have a room here.
I'm pretty sure if you had one, you'd tell him to face it there.
All four of those. All four of those.
So light the sides and then the top.
Wig.
Hurry up, hurry up.
You got them? Yep. Yay!
This is a stick of fire.
This is so
Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh dude! Whoa! Oh my gosh! That does not look right, dude! Oh my gosh!
Oh, the best part was definitely when the cracklers came out, and Andrew's like, oh my gosh!
Yeah.
pretty fun. I got one.